It's all kicking off on Turves Green, man. They've got cop cars, helicopter out. God, 10 to 2's never been so exciting. And I don't know what he's doing, but this dude seems to have pulled over and he's looking for the helicopter. And now he's seen me and fucking off. I'm just glad he's facing the other way now. Looks like he's hovering over Tessel Lane area. Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper. There it is. Right, cat. Go, go, coppers, go! Don't know who they're chasing. Bet it turns right. Tell you what, the cat's almost as excited about it as me. She's just literally trying to go out the window, but she just can't make it. I figured out what it might be. They found a bin man, and they're trying to hunt him down for work tomorrow. News just in. The helicopter's been flying around Turves Green area now for a good 20 minutes, and I'm starting to get a bit bored. God, the speed of that dairy van, they must be after him. No, no coppers. Definitely not after him. There goes the police van from earlier on. Doesn't look like they've got anybody in custody. They must be going for a chocolate bourbon instead. We've found the verdict. Illegal taxi rides going on, that's what it was. Das Banner mother! One thing I have noticed whilst hanging out my bedroom window for 40 minutes tonight is the lights in that place are constantly going on and off. Are you taking the piss? We've just got rid of the helicopter, now the council short with a fucking reversing siren. Not to mention the fact that in under 5 hours, Chunk's going to be sitting at that tree waiting for his lift to work. That action never stops. You join us here for a late night edition of the BBC News. BBC, of course, standing for Blokes Boobs Channel. Oh. Just realised I've absolutely no idea why I've spent best part of an hour hanging out of a bedroom window listening to a helicopter fly around in circles. I'm going to give you 5 more minutes. If I don't see a car chase, I'm going to fucking bed. What are you doing, cat? What are you doing? Hi, I'm Al Harrington of Al Harrington's Arm Inflatable Wheel Wacky and Tube. I can't. Wacky Inflatable Arm Flailing Tube. It's hard to say fast, that is, I'll be honest. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you today the new benchmark in screening technology. That's right, the Level Master 6000! Chunk went to Rob last night and he got me Brownie Heaven! It's Oreo blonde.
Here he is.
Here I am.
His brownie.
Oh yes.
Is it good?
No.
Is it shit?
It's beautiful!
That's a shit.
Checking in here to the Starbucks Hotwood. Chunks is riveting as always. I've just had to fix a part in the toilet because that's what I do. But it's okay, it's got drink. Go Power Rangers! You mighty Morphin Power Rangers! Wow. Several small steps for man. One giant leap for the escalator repairman.
Hola, buenos días, señorita. Esta es muy guapa. Mi nombre es El Puanto.
Oh yeah, my bear ready, baby. Right, that's the running orders done. We are officially finished. Let's go and pack.